Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, hailing from my nice rocking chair in my living room. For the next recipe, it is Indonesian dish. It's my childhood favorite. My late grandmother, she lived in Banjarmasin in South Kalimantan in Indonesia. Whenever we visited her or when she visited us, we lived in Balikpapan in East Kalimantan. Whenever we visited her or she visited us, she always fed me with her cookings from rawon, which is black broth soup, or this following dish, which is coconuty beef. We call it Serundeng Daging, and this is again my favorite, absolutely favorite childhood food. However, there are many various coconuty beef serundeng daging in Indonesia. Sometimes it's kind of browning, sometimes it's kind of yellowish, like the following that I cooked, and my oldest started to liking it. Before, when I used to prepare this when he was little, I followed exactly my late grandmother's recipe, and he did not like it because it's coconutty. It's like eating grated coconut. But when I made this one, my version, he started liking it, and he asked for me to prepare it often. Check out the full video now, season again. It's pretty good to eat with warm rice as is with the coconutty beef. Again, check out the full video now, season again. Bye. So this is 700 gram. Just put enough water, and then we're gonna bring this to boil until totally cooked. So this is 1 small onion, 2 bird-eye chilies, and 5 large garlic, 4 to 5 large garlic, and 1/4 cup of water. We're just gonna make a paste. In the pot I have 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of galangal powder, 2 lemongrass, 5 salam leaves. These are Indonesian bay leaf, and this is 8 to 10 pieces of kaffir lime leaves, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, vegetable oil. I use olive oil. And then we're gonna dump our paste. Strain beef, and if you want, you can slice kind of thinly if you want. Now we're gonna saute all of this until fragrant. And mix well, fragrant and mix well. And we're gonna add in our sliced beef or boiled beef or cooked beef, and cook this for 2 minutes. And then we're gonna add in our desiccated coconut, unsweetened desiccated coconut. 2 minutes up, add in your unsweetened desiccated coconut and mix it well, and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're gonna season it with, if you have Royco in Indonesia, here we're gonna use chicken bouillon powder or beef bouillon powder, or just sugar and salt if you don't have any of those. And you want to cook it until all the spices absorb and the coconut is kind of dry, like almost like a dry filling, but not burn obviously. So you want to continue stirring, and basically your serundeng is done. This is good for warm rice, yellow rice, nasi uduk, coconut rice,